Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this one we work on the Touran and we are going to convert the roof rack into a roof terrace. So we've got a bunch of accessories that need to go. Neil, if you're watching, it's finally coming on. And a couple of seats, because on a roof terrace you need somewhere to sit so you can enjoy the view. We will also sort out this ladder. Not 100% sure how yet, but you know, we want it to be easy to go at the top as well. So yeah, let's put the seat at the top on. Let me show you the setup you're aiming for, and then we'll get the grinder, the welder out, and all of that stuff. One seat there, one seat there, and then oh, need to mount it obviously, but yeah, here it's a shame because like really wanted to be able to align this. As you can see here, we've got a little nudge, little bump for the mechanism, which means not perfectly flat down here. So you know, up to here could fill up nicely. Up to there become more difficult, but I don't know whether to squeeze some metal in or maybe just try and just chop this. Yeah, actually I've tried to put the seat on the other side, which is inverted on how they are in the car, because this plate is perfectly flat. So if we just chop those guys, we can actually sit the plate flush on the bar and have a really nice contact to weld all the way down there. Now we'll have to bring it more back though, because you can see the mechanism touches there. So we will have to have a little something to raise those guys, basically try to keep it sort of flat. Oh yeah, look, it's working out great. I'm not going to bother like chopping all of that. To start with, here's a little extension. I mean, we get extra support there, flap there. At least we've got a nice all the way there, here at the end. And even that, when it's all attached, you can see the mechanism clear the plank. And what I'll do is, we've got a bunch of scrap, is probably just weld something from this bit to the metal bit there, and that will give it that support that way. Oh yeah, I've chopped the other one already, so can clear that up, weld them up, and then we can move toward the front where we're going to put our storage. I'm actually standing on. I need to find room for that.
We're billionaire on the beat, bitch.
Alright, so the other day was running out of time, so I did this quickly, which, you know, does the job. This is actually a very good spot to climb on and stuff. You put it there. The barman, it doesn't touch the window, so the window is safe, but you know, you've got to store it at the top and stuff, so I kind of really want to go in. I don't know, I think one at the back would look cooler. I just don't know whether, I don't know, it's quite thick. Alright, that's more like it. So annoyingly, bloody stuff don't line up anymore. I know they sort of do. You'll be alright. But yeah, some cleaning, then I'll weld it all together. Yet another day. So now we just need to chop a bit and actually mount it. As you can see, it's plenty strong enough. After is it pretty? Definitely not. Look at this one. So now I just realize I chopped 3 on this side and only 1 on that side. As you can see, basically it goes like that. Boom. I mean, obviously here we won't be close from the body. Put some little spacers, because otherwise you've got nowhere for your foot to go. But the angle is pretty good. Now we just need to chop and join here. Really glad I stuck with it and went for it, because it's awesome. Ah, look at that. Beautiful. Very nice and functional as well, you know. You can, hey look, shaking the car. Well, that's just on that one. But yeah, you know, nice and easy. You don't have to clamp too hard. But yeah, not straight or anything, just perfect. Yeah, on the side, you just poke out a bit like that. And you can see, still far away from the glass and stuff, that, you know, you really need to try and kick it hard to damage the glass. But yeah, very nice, very nice. Well, that is very nice. Still going to need to sort out the roof light as well at some point, but I'll do that at some other point. We need the horn as well, so. Yeah.
You wanted to sit up there for?
That's because when I go to car meet on car show,
Sorry?
I go to car meets on car show, so that way when I go to them I can just sit at the top and enjoy everything.
I see. Very good.
But so basically you can see there the type of feedback I get. Actually the neighbors around here, most people seem to enjoy it. I'm not sure they enjoy the noise, but this episode was quite chop and grind heavy. You know, there'll probably be more to come. There's still more we can do on the roof rack. Still a little area at the back. There is still more I want to do at the front. Ideally some of the windows I like to either mesh them and bring some structure as well, you know. And I think long term with this, instead of keeping it low as it is, as much as I love it, is actually raise it, put some big 4x4 tire on, you know, make it more of a cruiser, if you know what I mean. But yeah, that's it for this one. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.